Hey, thank you for clicking on my video. This is Gigi Garbell 21. Today is New Year's Eve, so you're going to be hearing a lot of noise because I have my family here with me, but I still wanted to do this video because I'm going to put on this wig today. So I thought, let me record it and I can show you guys what it looks like. So this is by the Janet Collection Melt. It's a melt line that they have. And so this says transparent natural hairline with 13x6 frontal heart. So let me tell you something. And she's called Enzo. Enzo in the color M Biolage Caramel. I'm not sure what M stands for. Maybe mocha, maybe just M. You tell me. So anyway, this is what it looks like. I have been so excited to open up this package. Oh my God, but I've been waiting to do it with you. So let me. Is this color gorgeous or what? It's coming off exactly how it looks. In the camera, it's exactly what it looks like in real life. So this, if you're wondering what the color is gonna look like, boom, here you have it. Like, it's super true to it. All right, so here's the 13x6. And it's that breathable ventilation kind of cap. It does have a comb in the back, and then it's too kind of like near, I think kind of like where your ear is, kind of like where that is. Because it has, you know, this extra lace space. It's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tint my lace and then come back. I love that the baby hairs are like that. Another layer. I'm only keeping this on for today, so I don't want to go all out. I mean, it's like something I can just easily take off, you know? This side is like usually my side that I go to, like if I'm gonna part my hair. Are you freaking kidding me? Look how perfect that part is. Like, I don't even have to do anything. See, this is how I would normally wear my hair. Like, I'm a left part girl. So, oh my God. All I need to do is literally put powder only because because the knots are black, see? Like, so I'm literally looking at the phone, like trying to see this. The phone is my mirror right now because I didn't put a mirror over here to do this part. And I don't yet have like my official own set. Like, okay, I do have like a section or whatever. I mean, you guys usually see me in the same spaces, but I don't have like an official vanity or whatnot, I guess you would say. I have to move around this mirror, and that's super annoying. All right. It kind of like brushes out. It kind of goes away, like it blends together in just a little bit. Just give it a few minutes. Just gotta like manifest. I don't know. All right. Anyway, boom. Just a little bit. You can look how I would really wear my hair, because we're trying to go for natural vibes. Trying to go for something like, yeah, bitch, this is my hair. You know what I'm saying? All right. The back, I feel like it's good. I mean, I hope I don't have like an embarrassment, and then when you see all these tracks in the back, that would not be good. But okay, so I let it melt enough. I think it is really crunchy. All right, hold on. I know this hair looks dumb, but just work with me here. This is a process. Just work with my process here. This is actually one of the things that really gives it away whenever you're wearing a wig, is the knots. So this is an important step to not forget to do is to cover them up. This makes a world of a difference. Because if people can see your lace, they're probably thinking, what the f is that there, bro? What is that going on there? You know, and you don't want that. So don't care about the color right now of the hair. Just look. Right? The knots look better? Yeah. Yeah. So easy. But this concealer is the ish when it comes to that. Okay, so I really don't know what the F I'm gonna do with these because I don't want to cut them off. I'm like loving that separation right now. All right, guys, so here it is. I haven't really run my fingers through it that much because I like the way it looks, honestly. And so those are from the front. And sorry, oh, that's cute. This is it from the left side. And let me get it ready for the back. Okay, this is it from the back. And then let's see if you can see the tracks. Okay, and then this is from the left side. I mean, my right side, what am I saying? And from the front, what is it, to the back, to the front. This is like really natural looking, oh my gosh. Let me put a little bit more concealer on those knots right there. Actually, yeah, a little bit. Wow, this looks so good. All right, so really, I'm gonna do that after because I gotta go. So let me just tell you really quick what I really think about this wig, okay? First of all, I mean, I've said it throughout the video. I think it looks super natural. Like, yo, there's my hair. It comes in other colors, more so like natural looking colors, see? Those colors, like butterscotch, strawberry blonde, M Biolage caramel, M Biolage 30, 2, 1B, and 1. This one's gorgeous. It's a very natural length too. It doesn't say how long it is, but honey, it's cute. And so this, obviously you guys saw how quick this install was, like boom, boom, boom. And it really does melt very well. Like, I don't know, I'm just very excited about this wig. Honestly, I wanna order like so much more. I don't remember how much it was right now because I did order like a bunch of wigs. So just go ahead and click on the link in the description box. That'll take you over to where I purchased it. But remember, you can always put the name in Google and then just go with your most affordable option. Also, like maybe where they're having a sale, giving you a gift, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I hope that you guys have a happy new year. This video may go up tonight, which is New Year's, or it may go up tomorrow. But either way, happy new year, stay blessed, go after all of your dreams, and like and subscribe my video. Like, what are you doing? Help me out, because whenever you like my video, you know, YouTube will start showing my video more. And I'm really trying to grow my channel, so please help me out so that other people that, you know, want to see what different wigs look like, you can go ahead and see it on me. Or if you want to find out about the wig, I'm gonna tell you what's up, like how it is. But anyways, oh, one thing I do want to say is this wig is big head friendly because it definitely stretches. It has a lot of room with this kind of construction cap, and it's extremely comfortable. Like, I just feel so comfortable. Like, it almost feels like as if I don't even have a wig on. And the ear section, so comfy, because a lot of times, that's okay. You see, like this came up, but that's okay because I only went in with one layer, and you know, when it comes to ear tabs, you put quite a few, but that's okay because I don't really care. Like, I'm gonna take it down. I don't plan on having my hair behind there. But what I was saying was that the ears are actually comfortable. So you can see my ears all the way out. Sometimes the wig just like wants to be on top of your ear, and if you take it out, it's all folded, retarded, or dumb. So this one's not doing that. But anyways, much love. love. Bye.